Hey everybody, it's Carol Billing. Let's take a look at your course calendar for CTE 430 Leadership in Student Organizations, or CTSOs. First of all, I have the first 2 weeks built and ready for you to work on. They're pretty straightforward. It's really just getting you used to all the tools I use to communicate and do work. And then after that, we'll jump into the textbook, so it gives you a little bit of time to get the textbook also. Of course, meeting is in there for questions, and then from there on, we have 12 chapters to cover, so I put them in one a week. We have a quiz over each chapter, so read it, take the quiz, and then there's a related assignment. And each one of the assignments are going to be items I think you would need in your first year of teaching. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about as I'm developing them. I've taught this course just once before, so I have a lot of the assignments already built, but I'm going to refine them before I put them in Blackboard for you to look at. So as of right now, the first 2 weeks are, I think, complete. Let me know if you come up with anything that's confusing or there's a gap in instruction. And then the remaining weeks I'll have populated fairly quickly because I have taught them before. In most cases, just have one new assignment. This one is new, the exceptional student. But it aligns with the text, and I think it's really important. And it's a piece I think was missing out of previous courses. And at the end, we wrap it up and submit it to Taskstream. We also will embed everything in your Weebly. So that's a very quick overview of everything. It's 2 credits, so I'm only doing 2 credits worth of work a week. And I'm going to be working ahead and opening things as I have them done. So you will have, hopefully, at least a few weeks ahead that you can work ahead. And to be honest, I expect to have the whole course within a couple of weeks because I've taught it before and I have most of the pieces. Just want to review them before I make them live. Okay, I think that's it. Deadlines are Sundays at midnight, and that's specific time, so that's 11, that's 12, that's 1 o'clock if you're in Mountain Time. Let me know if you have questions, quick questions by Vox, or more detailed questions on email. Thanks.